The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra launch is just months away, but how the S25 Ultra will look is still shrouded in mystery. But not anymore. After much debate and mixed thoughts between two renowned leakers, the design mystery has finally been resolved, and we know exactly how the S25 Ultra will look. So, last month, OnLeaks released the renders of the S25 Ultra. OnLeaks usually leaks the renders of Samsung's flagships. Sometimes the renders are accurate and sometimes they are not. And that is exactly what Ice Universe pointed out. He posted multiple times specifically about the camera module, and even shared his version of it. As I said in my previous videos, both of these renders cannot be trusted 100%, as both of these leakers drew their thoughts based on these images. Although Ice Universe posted the S25 Ultra case as well, the gap between cameras is very minimal compared to the S24 Ultra, hinting at the camera ring possibility. Finally, Ice Universe accepted in a tweet that his version was not correct, and the Z Fold 6 style camera rings are real. But there is a twist with those camera rings too. He mentioned while those camera rings are real, they will not look exactly the same as the Z Fold 6. So we might witness the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra type of camera ring, which looks more premium compared to the Fold 6. What type of style do you like the most? S24 Ultra, Z Fold 6, or the Tab S10 Ultra? Let me know in the comments. And that is not the only change in the S25 Ultra design. After 3 years, Samsung is saying goodbye to those sharp corners and opting for the rounded design. So the S25 Ultra is going to look the same compared to the S25 and S25 Plus? According to leaked front glass pictures, the S25 Ultra still has a unique boxy identity among younger siblings. You might be more of a fan of a complete boxy look, but if you look at the brighter side, this design helps Samsung to achieve many milestones that might give you a more unique experience. Rounded corners have been shrunk, so we will get the super thin bezels similar to iPhone 16 Pro Max. It is going to be slimmer than ever, and all of these exercises confirmed the weight loss it is going to have.